First of all, I'd like to take the opportunity to congratulate His Majesty on serving the nation for 40 years. It is a really great milestone that we are all proud of as a Maswati.
Libito lami ngiwandile Nwakamotha. Kulo msakato sengineminyaka lengu-23 ngisebenza kiyo.
Igama lami nginguNkosinathi Mabusela. Ngisebenzile vele kaSwazi TV kusukela nga-1979 to 2014. Ngagcina-ke sengu-editor-in-chief khona.
In 1986, the Kingdom of Eswatini welcomed a young monarch, His Majesty King Mswati III, whose reign would usher in a new chapter of vision, unity, and pride. That same year, Eswatini television stood as the kingdom's window to the world, capturing the hopes, voices, and dreams of a nation rising with its king. As His Majesty the King guided the nation through its formative years, Eswatini television grew into the heartbeat of national expression. From community stories to national events, every frame carried the pride, rhythm, and the voice of a kingdom united by its king.
Walekelela live umsakazo. Walekelela ingonyama ngaloko ukuthi phela nawe public broadcaster ufuna ukukhuluma iqiniso njengemfundisi. Umsakazo ke usita lapha ekuthini na usheshe wayikhipha indzaba lenye iyasita ekuthini awu sekuyashangala. Sekusheshe kutholakala ama solutions. Akusinje lokusonke isikhathi kuhleba lomunye kuceba lomunye no. Kweku-aletha lelive lonke lithi ke ngema-structures alo kube nesikhathi lokuthi lilungise leto tinto letonakalayo.
I'd say you're right, we are a public broadcaster, and being a public broadcaster means we exist to provide a public service, and it is a public service of educating, informing, and entertaining Maswati, particularly doing all these elements through the Swazi way, or telling the story of Eswatini, and also carrying and propagating the message and the vision of His Majesty the King.
Under His Majesty's guidance, Eswatini television became the stage for empowerment. New voices rose. Women led, youth found their calling, telling stories of culture, resilience, and hope.
His Majesty's reign reminds us that media can educate and empower. We tell stories that celebrate Eswatini's identity.
Guided by His Majesty's vision of modernization, Eswatini television embraced innovation, evolving from analog to digital, from one channel to a network that connects every corner of the kingdom. Through technology, we carried the royal message of unity, of peace and progress to every screen and every heart.
Itolo kusakada kwethu bese kubita ngalesilungu ukuthi ku-analog. Lokusho ukuthi ku-signal engidawuthi mhlawumbe ngile final product lefika emakhaya. Bokhanza ukuthi kukhona kufisitela kwemsindo, kukhona kufisitela kwesithombe. Lobe kuhanza ke ukuthi uzodwa ukhanza umuntu omdzalo umisa umntwana, hey ijikisi uyibhekisele, ijikisi uyibhekisele ukhanza sigcina sithombe nemsindo kuvakala ngconywana akhona ebukela umuntu omdzalo emakhaya.
Today, as Eswatini celebrates His Majesty King Mswati III's 40th year on the throne, we look back with such pride. For 4 decades, Eswatini television has carried the King's vision across time, preserving the memory, the message, and the majesty of our nation's story.
Eswatini TV has been that conduit that carries the voice of His Majesty the King over his 40 years of reign. His Majesty the King, through different forums, including Sibaya, speaks great messages in terms of the direction that the country should take, in terms of guidance to eMaSwati, in terms of also just inspiring the nation. Eswatini TV carries those messages to the entire country and the rest of the world.
40 years of the King, 40 years of the nation's voice. Eswatini Television salutes His Majesty King Mswati III, our beacon of unity, culture, and progress. Long live the King. Long live Eswatini.